Today we're looking at setting frame rates for video recording inside the FiLMic Pro camera app, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos. If you're a current subscriber, welcome. It is fantastic to see you again. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn more about making better online videos like the rest of them, then go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. Frame rate greatly impacts the style and viewing experience of a video. Different frame rates yield different viewing experiences, and choosing a frame rate often means choosing between things such as how realistic you want your video to look, or whether or not you plan to use things such as motion blur or slow motion. For example, movies are usually displayed in 24 frames per second, since this frame rate is similar to how we see the world and creates a very cinematic look. Video that's broadcast live, or video with a lot of motion, such as a sporting event or a video game recording, will often have higher frame rates, as there is a lot happening at once, and a higher frame rate keeps the motion smooth and the details crisp. The frame rates can be selected here. Tapping on this icon will select the different frame rates, as well as the different resolution of your video. You have 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second, and even 240 frames per second for that super slow motion video. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash a like. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.